IQOO, the sub-brand of Vivo, is ruling the budget smartphone market in India. If you're really looking for a gaming smartphone and with a good set of cameras and fast charging, then there is no other best phones other than IQOO phones. In this video, I will be showing you 5 latest and the best IQOO phones that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which IQOO phone did you like the most. Please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. So let's start the video with the first phone, that is IQOO Z7 Pro. You can call it as a flagship killer because it comes with a flagship specs. Starting with display, it comes with a 120Hz 6.78 screen display with a full HD resolution. Powering the smartphone is a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, up to 256GB of internal storage. And the phone packs 4600 mAh of battery with a fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, there is a 64MP primary camera with 2MP macro, which is just for gimmick, and this 64MP lens takes good pictures in the daylight but struggles in the low light. And the selfie camera is also decent of 16 megapixel. The smartphone is an gaming centric smartphone as it sports all the gaming essentials in this. Overall, it's a mid-range performance based smartphone. IQOO Z7 is the best low budget or a low budget smartphone that gets the feature sets right. Okay, whatever you desire in a low budget smartphone, the phone offers it all. The IQOO Z7 is a successor to Z6 5G, which was launched last year. The handset sports a beautiful 6.38-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Display has 1300 nits of peak brightness and HDR10 plus certification. There is a MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset and 4500 mAh of battery. The phone supports 44 watt fast charging out of the box, and it's overall amazing. The cameras are impressive as it sports a 64 megapixel main camera that takes really good pictures. The phone boots Android 13 and has Fun Touch OS 13. Buy this amazing smartphone for its best-in-class performance, bright AMOLED display, very good camera performance and good battery life, and also it sports IP54 rating for dust and water protection. IQOO Neo8. The IQOO Neo8 launched in China but yet to get launched in India. The phone comes with a beautiful 144Hz refresh rate display of 6.78 inches with a full HD resolution. The phone will be powered by a flagship processor, that is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor coupled with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The phone is also set to feature a 5000 mAh of battery with a hypercharge technology of 120 watt. Coming to the cameras are not so impressive because it's a very weird combination of giving a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset and giving a 50 megapixel primary camera, dual camera setup at the back, so it doesn't justify the cameras. 16 megapixel front selfie camera take decent pictures. Coming to the dimensions of the phone measures 8.36 millimeter and weighs around 194 grams. IQOO 11 Pro. IQOO 11 Pro is a flagship smartphone from IQOO and it is directly competing with the Samsung Galaxy S series, OnePlus 11 and other smartphones. Compared to the OnePlus 11, this phone deserves much more because it features a lot more great specification compared to OnePlus. Coming with a display of 144Hz refresh rate and Quad HD resolution, this phone is a performer and it is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The cameras are very impressive. Triple camera setup features 50 megapixel primary camera, 50 megapixel second, ultra wide camera and 13 megapixel third camera, and there is also a 16 megapixel front selfie camera that takes decent selfies. And the dimensions are 8.4 millimeter in thickness, and it's a phone with a 208 grams of weight. So here it disappoints. Around over 200 grams of weight is not acceptable when it comes to flagships. But overall, coming to the price to performance ratio, this is a performer. IQOO Neo8. IQOO Neo8 is a value for money smartphone from IQOO, and overall the best IQOO phone that you can buy. The IQOO Neo8 5G was launched in India 3-4 months back, but the new premium mid-ranger from the Vivo spin-off brand is the successor to the IQOO Neo6, which was launched last year. The IQOO Neo8 5G has received many upgrades over its predecessor, including a 4nm MediaTek chipset, a bigger battery, faster charging, and a 120Hz AMOLED display. While the phone continues to feature a triple camera setup, there is one major downgrade: that it is carrying the same old cameras. Buy this amazing smartphone for its excellent display, powerful chipset, great battery life, good primary camera, and extended software support. So overall, this is the best IQOO phone that you can buy, IQOO Neo8. So these are the 5 amazing IQOO phones that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.